Julia Hawkins formula defying age at 107. Julia Hurricane Hawkins, at the age of 107, continues to defy her age and pursue worldwide fame. Recently, she made history as the first female athlete in her age group 105+ division to set a world record in the 100-meter run. This extraordinary achievement took place at the 2021 Louisiana Senior Games, where she also became the first American to establish the best international time, finishing the race with a time of 1 hour 2 minutes 95 seconds. She not only inspires us with her remarkable athletic abilities but also shares valuable health tips. One of her secrets to maintaining good health is a special drink recipe that has contributed to her vitality and well-being. The recipe is simple, and all you need is 50-gram ginger, 1 orange, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, to 100 milliliters water. Here's how to make it. 1. Ginger. Peel the ginger and cut it into small pieces. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger helps reduce inflammation in the body, alleviate muscle soreness, and support digestion. It is also rich in antioxidants, which can boost the immune system and promote overall well-being. 2. Squeeze the juice from the orange. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C also supports collagen production, which is important for healthy skin, joints, and tissues. Oranges are also rich in fiber and various antioxidants that can aid digestion and protect against chronic diseases. 3. Squeeze the juice from the lemon. Lemons are highly acidic, which can help balance the pH levels in the body and promote better digestion. They are also an excellent source of vitamin C and antioxidants, known for their immune-boosting properties. Additionally, lemons may support detoxification and provide a refreshing burst of flavor to the drink. 4. Put all the juice, water, and ginger, turmeric powder into a blender and blend until smooth. Then, strain the mixture to remove any residue. Turmeric, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain cancers. Turmeric is also believed to support brain health and improve digestion. Consume 15–20 milliliters of this drink every morning on an empty stomach. With their combined properties, this drink can help boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, aid digestion, and promote overall well-being. Let's raise a glass to Julia Hawkins and her commitment to a healthy and active lifestyle, reminding us that age is just a number when it comes to living a vibrant and fulfilling life. Cheers to your health.
We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.